Hi guys, how are you? Hope so you will be fine. If you are coming first time on our channel, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video with your friends. Today I will show you how you can open shortcut button for home screen. If you are using iPhone and you want to open home screen shortcut button, then you have to see this video. Let's say start it. First of all, go in setting and search here accessibility option. Guys, you can see there accessibility option. Click on this and you can search there touch option. Guys, you have to search there touch option. Click on it. You can see there touch option. After click on it, you have to first of all assistive touch on. If you have not creating already home shortcut button, your assistive touch will be off. If you want to on it, click on it and assistive touch on. Click on assistive touch on. Let's see, this is off and I want to create an shortcut button for home screen. Just click on it and open it. You can see that my shortcut button will be created and you can see there home screen button, screenshot, device, control center, notification, custom, guster, many things. Or you can see that if you want to home button add there, then go in custom actions. You can see this option and click add this and you can choose there any button if you want to add. I want to add home and click on it, and in my shortcut button you can see that their home button will be added. By doing this, you can add home button in your home screen shortcut button. If you have a problem with your iPhone physical home button will not be working, you can use this button for home touch or other many things. You can add there many options like a double tap, long press, 3D touch. These are working your short button. These are options working with your short button. Like that, I click on one time and I go to in my home screen and I click on this at long press. You can see that there are options to hide running applications. I click on double time and you can see there are option to home button, device, screenshot, custom, notification, control center. So guys, problem are solved and you can learn how to open shortcut button for a home screen. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends. Thanks.